Oh, hey guys. Didn't see you there. It's just me making my healthy Super Bowl recipes. I'm Katie and welcome back to my channel. So basically what I'm making here are some amazing mini healthy tacos. And this is gonna be so good for Super Bowl because if you're throwing a Super Bowl party, this is the best app to make. Plus, I'm showing you a healthy, very healthy margarita after this. So let's get right into the recipe. What you'll need is some pepper jack cheese, ground chicken, beans, black beans, a little bit of tomato paste, brown rice, avocado, taco seasoning, corn tortillas, a little bit of olive oil, and I'm gonna put it in the description how much of each amount. So basically what I'm doing right now, as you can see, I have a mini cupcake tray right here. You guys can use a bigger cupcake tray or a miniature one. Then I have the oven set to 400 degrees. And what I'm doing here is taking a little measuring cup and then making these corn tortillas. You guys can use flour or corn, but corn is healthier. They tend to break apart easier than flour tortillas, but it is healthier for you. So what I'm doing here is cutting them into little mini circles, using that measuring cup, dousing them in a little bit of olive oil, and then placing it into this mini cupcake tray. So use a little bit of force. It's okay if it breaks up a little. Again, flour tortillas usually stay a little bit easier in these, but it's okay if these corn tortillas break up a little. So I'm just gonna fill this cupcake tray up, cut these into mini circles, and pop them in the oven. So now that they are all in the little muffin tray, I'm gonna pop it in the oven for around 10 minutes or until they are golden brown. So while we are waiting for those taco shells to be golden brown, we are now gonna make the mix, what goes inside the little taco shells. So what I did here is actually pre-cook this brown rice, and I threw in a little bit of carrots as well. No one will ever notice, just a little added health benefit, and no one will actually know it's brown rice either. So it is now time to make this brown rice into a Spanish rice. So throw some rice into a pan. So right now that's around 1 cup of some brown rice, and then I'm gonna throw in some of this tomato paste. And you're gonna wanna have this just on a little bit of a simmer. Then I'm gonna add in a little bit of a taco seasoning to give it that nice flavor. Then I'm gonna throw in some of these black beans. I also pre-made this ground chicken. I used about half a packet of ground chicken, and then I actually used about 1/3 to 1/4 of an onion. Just that onion give it great flavor, so I just sauteed the chicken with the onions. And then when I was sauteing it, I just added a little bit of salt and pepper. So I'm gonna throw in a little bit of the ground chicken. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of the olive oil left over and stir it on up. So after I heated all of that and mixed it together, I'm gonna throw it into another bowl. Smells so good. And from here, I'm just gonna add a little bit of this pepper jack cheese. This will kind of tie it all and hold it together. By the time you are mixing in that cheese, your tortillas should be ready. So let's check it out. Perfect! Beautiful. Yes. Okay, so you guys can't really tell from there, but they are hardened into little cute taco shells. Super hot, so I'm not gonna touch it right now. But if you guys wanna come over here. So now that these shells are ready, I am just going to stuff a little bit of this mixture into each one. And yes, I'm gonna use my hands because it's easiest, and don't worry, they're washed. Okay, so now that they are all stuffed, I'm gonna take the rest of the pepper jack cheese and top it off, each one. Topping it off with this cheese is gonna make it so nice and crispy on top. Ah, so excited. Wow, perfect amount of cheese. Oh yeah, this is looking so good. So I'm just gonna pop it back in the oven at 400 degrees for just a couple more minutes to let this cheese sizzle, and it's gonna be so good. Here we go. All right, so while it's in the oven, I'm gonna quickly show you guys my healthy cocktail drink that you should be serving a Super Bowl Sunday. Here we go. So here's what you'll need. A little bit of Casamigos, or really any tequila. Look, I only have that much left. That is sad. Okay, a little bit of triple sec, just a little. And if you don't have triple sec, you actually go for the better option, which is honey. Then you're gonna need a lemon, some ice, and a cute margarita glass, and then some berries. So this is my berry healthy cocktail. Catchy, right? You'll also need some soda water. What I have right now is some ice. First, I'm gonna pour in a little bit of this tequila, 1 shot, which is the rest of the drink, let's just say. I'm actually using some sparkling lime water, which makes it really good because it adds that extra flavor. So I'm gonna toss it some in there, then grab a lemon. And I'm really only gonna be using about half of a lemon squeeze because this works super well. Perfect. Oh yeah. Yum. Wow. Oh, it smells and looks so good. Oh my gosh. Seriously. I wish you guys could smell this right now. They seem super hot. I'm gonna let them cool for a hot sec and then I'm gonna taste it for you guys. They seem amazing. Okay, so now after they've cooled down a little bit, I'm gonna top each little taco bite off with an avocado slice. And look how freaking cute these little bites are. I mean, they're super bite-sized. They're so adorable. I think everyone at your Super Bowl party or your tailgate or whatever it is are going to love these. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope you guys use this recipe. Let me know if you do. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you guys next week.